Hello mga kabalen! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take out my in-laws to swimming. So let's go! This is the place that we're going to be swimming, and it is here in PORAC, Pampanga. It's called RL Resort. Let's get inside and explore. I believe last year they were just constructing this resort because I remember when we went home last year. Let's go and enter. It is gated, so you cannot enter without reservation. So this is the entrance. This is RL in PORAC, Pampanga. This is the reception area. So this is the lobby. So this is the place. It is a big place. To the right is the function hall. It is a two-story building where they hold the reception for birthdays, weddings, or probably conference. This is really a big resort. This side are all the rooms. This big garden is where they hold their garden weddings or outdoor weddings. So I believe this building is the function hall, but it is closed right now. There is no event. So it is a big facility or resort, but it looks like there's no happenings right now. So it looks like it's only us that is swimming right now. They are swimming already and having fun. Hello.
Pawis na. Hinahanap ko yung chilenas.
This is one of our rooms. We rented 3 rooms to stay overnight. We rented 2 family rooms that can fit 6 people in each room, and 1 premier room which can fit 4 people in the room. We just arrived and they said that they're going to operate the waiting area just for 15 minutes. So they told us to enjoy and use it
Dapat
now.
walang tsinelas? Pag nag-wait ka?
Wag, dapat ka lang.
Madulas naman eh, nakakatakot.
Matalusad siya yan.
Matalusa dyan eh.
Bota ako mandilo. Kaya ako mamaka-t-shirt, mga shorts ko.
Galaw kayo, hindi naman ano to eh. Galaw kayo, hindi naman picture to, video.
Picture! Hello, Ate B. Thank you sa tweet mo. Napakaganda dito. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very,
Madulas. Anong inuhuhumod dyan? 15 minutes lang daw yan. Yeah.
Wala na daw gas.
Ha?
Wala na daw.
Wala, bukas na lang. Aray, parang may kumagat sa akin. Aray. Ano kaya yun? Lamok? May dala akong mosquito repellent. Ba't hindi ka pumunta doon? May alon. Our coordinator just arrived. After waiting for 15 minutes, we got hungry and now we are eating our snacks. So we brought some tuna sandwiches and egg sandwiches and some hard-boiled eggs. We have tuna and egg sandwich and we have some sodas.
May mabakbakin na. Butin niya naman, oh.
Nor na di kay.
Hindi mo.
Ah, I see.
Ay, ta?
While we were eating our snacks, it rained so hard and went inside our rooms. They told us to stop swimming because there is lightning and thunder. Then all of a sudden the power went off. We waited for at least an hour for the power to come back, but after an hour we decided to just ask for a rain check and to come back some other time. While we were loading our things, the power came back, but we decided just to leave anyway and come back some other time. Pilan oras tawo mo rin, Menay?
Manda mo rin nga, kanya-kanya na, kanya na.
Ano na oras? So we ended up going home because there was no power. So here is our food. We have ginataang laing, we have curry chicken, we have eggplant, bitter melon, okra. We have lots of eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and tomatoes, and fermented fish, and bagoong, fermented shrimp. So we are ready to gumble. We are ready to eat. Our food is so delicious.
We're still waiting for the others.
Waiting for the others, but we are. Wow. We continue our bonding at the house of my father-in-law and ate the food that we brought in the resort. Sinong may balak? Bakit naging tayo? Ba, parang fiesta, naka-live ka.
Alay, cater!
Catering, buffet. Buffet. Ano? Dito ka kay Sika. Walang service spoon. Walang service spoon dito. Ano dito na naman?
Dade, kayo na mo naman, dade.
Dati muna na ko!
Dade ba?
Otso ating kapangagwa kayong gulot!
Mabagal.
Ayaw pa yung Mark! Mana, ayaw pa yung Mark!
Asan yung paksiw?
Paksiw! Mga nawawala yung paksiw.
Hindi na ba sinong kumuha ng paksiw?
Ay, kumala
May ako na rin.
Kuya ko. Kumala akong nasito. Sige, may naba.
Ayan, sarap kumain ng Stephen. Sige po.
Mark, manyaman, Mark! Ano masasabi mo?
Hey, wala na tayong sob.
Ang dami soft drinks, oh.
Yung yelo pa nga.
Maya, wala pa yung yelo.
Naiwan nga sa
Nagutom ang mga tao. Ayan, ang sarap ng aming pagkain. Ang sarap. Nawawala po yung paksiw. Hinihintay namin yung paksiw.
Kunyari kayo mo palang lagulat kung madalang mo.
Ang sarap.
Wala na kayong karano.
Anong masasabi po ninyo?
Ang lamig-lamig po dito sa pool. Sabi natin, tita, buti ka mabait kasi ating customer dito ang mamagreklamong guli-guling sak na mutala pang sulo, makalimutan. Lalo na po first, mag-start ka pa kami talalay.
Sabi ko kasi, hindi naman kami humihingi na refund. Rain check lang. Kasi sayang naman yung binayad namin, sabi ko.
Dahil ang gagawa kasi mga anak ng educated na natin. Dahil mga alam pega na.
O sige, balutin nyo ako.
Hindi pa rin nagbiasa magkanta kaya pagkagawan do.
Ayan, tapos na po kami.
Kaya dati,
Sa susunod, sa susunod.
aling kang kita, bukas. Itang